In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pin bookmarks in Google Chrome. If you use bookmarks often, pinning them to Chrome's side panel can make them faster to reach and much easier to manage. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have your bookmarks a single click away on the right side of your browser. First, open Google Chrome. You can start from any page. This works the same whether you're on a new tab or a website you visit every day. Next, look to the very top right corner of Chrome and click the three vertical dots. This opens the main menu where Chrome keeps most of its tools and settings. From that menu, move your mouse over Bookmarks, or it may appear as Bookmarks and Lists depending on your version. Don't click yet, just hover, so the Bookmarks submenu slides out. This submenu is where you can manage your bookmarks and choose how they're shown. In that submenu, click Show Bookmarks in Side Panel. This tells Chrome to display your bookmarks in the right-hand side panel, which is a slimmer view that stays out of the way while you browse. A panel will appear on the right side of your screen. This is your bookmarks side panel. You'll see your folders, individual bookmarks, and, in many cases, a search box that helps you quickly find a saved page. You can scroll through the list and expand folders to view what's inside, just like in the full Bookmarks Manager. Now, to keep this panel easy to access, look for the small pin icon at the top right of the side panel and click it. When the pin is active, Chrome remembers to keep bookmarks associated with the side panel, making it simple to reopen at any time without digging back into menus. From here on, whenever you click the bookmarks icon at the top right, or the star icon, you'll see your saved bookmarks appear in that right side panel. This lets you jump to your favorite sites without covering your current page. If you ever decide you don't want it pinned, just click the same pin icon again to unpin it. A few quick tips as you use this setup. You can drag and drop bookmarks within the panel to reorder them, and you can right-click any bookmark to rename it or move it into a folder for better organization. If you don't immediately see the option for the side panel, make sure your Chrome is up to date, as interface labels can vary slightly between versions. That's it. Your bookmarks are now pinned and ready whenever you need them.